Hi, it's another unboxing video and it is a feelunique. So this is my August feelunique pick and mix samples box. So it comes in like a little envelope, so the items are inside this. This is always going to be a bit of a hassle for me to show you, but there's my items in there. I'll just put them down to the side. So quickly, pick and mix isn't a subscription, it is an option on the feelunique website, which I'll link everything down below. So click on the show more and it'll bring subscription and it'll all be down there. So it's a sample service that allows you to choose up to 5 samples once a month for £3.95. There's no signing up involved. There is actual signing up to the newsletter to sign up for the actual website, but no subscription, no money, no nothing, is all signed over, no direct debits, nothing. It's if you want some samples, you can get some samples if you want to in part of this service. Now, if you order on the 1st of January, you can't order until the 1st of February, so you can only do it once a month. With the £3.95 that you pay for the box, you do get a code once you've received your items, and that code is your £3.95 to be used on any further purchases. It can't be used on samples, but it can be used on like full-size beauty products or whatever. feelunique is a massive beauty selling place. It's got everything you can think of beauty related, so yeah, there might be something there. There's always sales going on, so you could use that £3.95 towards whatever you fancy really, but you don't have to, but it's there if you want to. So every month is different. Some months are more desirable than others, so you have got the option just to go in and out whenever you please really. It could be a once every couple of months, or as I do, I tend to have a look every single month. Now if I am struggling to find some items, I generally go for perfumes. I've gone for that this month. There's 2 beauty items and 3 perfumes, so I'll just show you what I got. Inside the box you get a envelope, and it's got money off vouchers for swoon editions. I don't know what that is. It's another one. There's 3 of them actually. £55 wine voucher, 50% off Degustabox. Yeah, there's a few different things here. Something about a Ring doorbell. Random things, but they're there anyway. You get them every month, so might be of interest to some of you. So the items I've chosen is an Estee Lauder double wear, and this is a flawless hydrating primer, SPF 45. It excites me. I love to have a high SPF in my beauty products, and especially primers, because that's where I tend to have my SPF. I don't generally grab an SPF after I've done all my skincare or underneath a primer, etc. I like to look for beauty products that contain an SPF, so it just cuts down on, you know, the amount of stuff I'm putting on my face. I love Double Wear Light. Double Wear, the actual original foundation, is a little bit too heavy for me, but Double Wear Light I absolutely love wearing, and I wear it in the summer months, so I just thought this primer sounded wonderful. So it's a little sachet, it's 1 ml, a little sachet, so it's just a chance just to let me try it and see what it's like on my skin and what it's like with my foundation on top as well. So there's that. The second item I had last month, and I loved it so much, but I think I put too much on my face, and then, well, basically I put the whole lot on my face. It's Charlotte Tilbury, and it's Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is a 1.5 ml sachet, and it's for a Superstar Youth Glow. And I got it in shade 2 Light. That's what that looks like there. Again, just a little sachet, but I used the whole sachet. Was it last month or the month before? I can't remember now. And I was glowing. I was glowing completely. I used it more like as a primer, and then I put my foundation and the rest of my makeup on top, and my skin was so glowy and gorgeous, but I think I put too much on because my face was quite opally looking, quite shimmery. Not shimmery, but it was quite glowy. So I wanted to try it again, but do little bits. And yeah, not so much like on my nose and my chin, but more like around the edges of my face, just to bring out the natural highlights. So no, I'm excited to try that again actually, because I was impressed with it. And then the other 3 items are perfumes. So this is Paco Rabanne, and it's Olympia Intense. I love this. I absolutely love this perfume. So this is 1.5 ml, and it's a little spray. I absolutely adore it, and it's a salty vanilla amber accord, carnal and charming, with a heart of orange blossom pulsating to white pepper. Flowers bloom and tumble into a salty vanilla and white ethereal amber base. Unexpected, illicit, captivating. I still haven't got round to getting the full-size bottle. I'm hoping maybe Christmas time. maybe, but yeah, no, I just fancied to have another one. It's handy to put in my handbag. And the next one I've never smelt before, and it's Paco Rabanne again, but it's Lady Million Lucky. Now I've heard of Lady Million, I've smelt some wax melts, Lady Million, but I haven't actually smelt the perfume. So as I liked Paco Rabanne Limpia, I thought, oh, I'll give this a go, see what it's like. So this is 1.5ml again. Woo, shiny with the lights there. So that's what it looks like inside. Hang on. This is Ecstatic Rose, Raspberry Burst, the smoothest santalphoric fixation. Oh, I'll spray it. It is nice, but it's a little bit, smells like sweets. And it's those type of smells that tend to give me headaches. Yeah, it's a little bit too sweet for me. Never mind, never mind. So, the last perfume is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent in Floral Shock. That's what that looks like there. And this is again in 1.5. Now I had one last month or the month before, and it was Black Opium Yves Saint Laurent, but I don't know if it is Floral Shock or not. I absolutely loved it. So I decided, and I used it all up. I don't know where I went, but I went somewhere and I ended up using all of it. So I wanted to try it again. I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. So it says, the addictive signature of Black Opium wrapped in quivering freshness, the warm sensuality of black coffee shaken with the fresh bold notes of citrus and white flowers, the shock of an iced coffee between pleasure and adrenaline, bergamot freesia accord, orange blossom and iced coffee accord. Oh, again, only barely half full. Where can I test this? I'll just try, oh, I don't know, try a little bit on my fingers. I'm not sure it's this one I had last month. I'll have to look back on my videos. But this again, it smells sweet, but it could be because I'm mixing my perfumes. Never mind. So those are my items for the month. So I've got the 3 perfumes, I've got the Estee Lauder primer, and I've got the Charlotte Tilbury filter, the Hollywood filter, or whatever it's called. Flawless filter, that's it. So I'm quite chuffed. I didn't know what to get beauty wise, so as I said at the beginning, I tend to opt for perfumes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.